World travel, they said. It would be fun, they said.
हेलो गामचन।
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Follow the Imprints. We are Sudeshna and Ranjit, and today is our last full day in Busan. So let's get started.
So we were just going out for breakfast. Saw the prediction, there was no rain, but it is rain. So the hotel provided us with these cute umbrellas, the transparent ones.
We are now living our K-dramas.
And also,
Searching for food.
yes, and also Bollywood song. प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से.
That should have been under 1 umbrella. Ordered our breakfast and egg chop. And this is what we have ordered. You got this. Looks like a hot spot for breakfast because everyone is lining up here. So let's see how the food is.
So this is our order in egg drop. So we are buying snacks for tomorrow's journey from Busan to Seoul. We have 5 hours 45 minutes journey, which is the intercity. So now Google translating and trying to figure out what we can eat on the road. So we are at Nice to see you again. Now we are going from our hotel to the bus stop. Actually, we are going to Gomcheon Cultural Village. That's a village near to that, near to this area.
Wow.
What is
an
this area?
introduction, Sajji.
That's a village where you have a nice view to this city of Busan, and also the village looks itself
So
nice.
we are not done with this uphill and downhill thing. So we thought, why not climb a mountain today?
Yeah, so let's go. Currently we are in bus stop Busan Department Store. From here we will take 87 number bus, which will take us to Gomcheon Cultural Village. World travel, they said. It would be fun, they said. It's not fun. Actually it's fun, but
I'm
It's-
questioning all the decisions in my life which brought me here.
yeah, it's totally uphill right now, this Gomcheon
I
village.
never signed up for this. I thought flatlands, palm beaches, palm
Tequila, with the umbrella on top, all those things, right? Not this hiking, climbing mountains. Anyway, let's climb.
trees.
Yes, and let's go to Gomcheon Cultural Village. Not sure if it is Gomcheon Village direction, but 250 meters something is there.
Something is
Let's go. Only 10 more. 10 meters that way. That way. So Gomcheon Cultural Village, this way. Now a little bit down. So you can store your luggage inside this from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Not sure the price. Just before the viewpoint. You can have your snacks, buy souvenirs, poster stamps, everything. So all the BTS Army fan, this is the place you can come and take.
Put a rose in your mouth.
This place exactly looks like an Instagram.
Instagram hotspot.
Yeah, Instagram
Everywhere
hotspot.
there is a photo option, and you can click your pictures. There are numerous BTS fan arts here, but the view is good.
Yeah. This is the view which you will get once you come up to the Gomcheon Cultural Village. Nice colorful houses.
Hello Gamchan. This
Tell.
is actually a good viewpoint. So colorful.
Yeah, I guess this is the best viewpoint we found till now in Gomcheon Village. All the buildings are so colorful and they're stacked in the mountain perfectly.
It's like Lego houses in real life.
Yeah, it's stacked on top of each other.
Back in the 1950s, thousands of refugees from the Korean War from all over the country came here in these mountain slopes and make a living out of this mountainous region. And right now it's like a huge tourist spot and known as the Machu Picchu of Busan, because this village offers colorful houses stack up on each other and narrow alleyways along the entire city with the river. It has a postcard perfect view.
This is known as Little Prince.
Came from a different planet and came to this viewpoint and was taking rest with his desert fox and admiring this view. And
Just
somehow
like us.
this is famous. Huge line here to take a picture with the desert fox and the little prince.
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Hello.
This stairs actually leads to Harry Potter city. Just kidding. It's just a stair in Gamchun village.
So right now I think this village is mostly is mostly and mainly like getting its main revenue out of tourism, because most of the houses of the actual people here, they have opened up small little shops for souvenirs, cafes and quirky little fun shops and different photo ops booths actually. I mean, yes, it's a Instagram worthy place, but you can actually pay a visit. The views are really nice.
The views are actually nice. So this is the Hathaura you will use to break one of those to get your wishes. So this is the printing machine. You print on spot. I don't know how much the money. Money. Small 20,000. Oh. So that's pregnant Iron Man. So they have no sugar, fresh orange juice. So easy process, fresh juice. Fully fresh. Exactly fresh orange juice. What do you call it? Fresh. Freshly squeezed orange juice. This is one. 6,001.
So first time trying a grilled marshmallow frozen ice cream.
Oh, perfect.
This is with the vanilla flavor. Let's see how it is. Oh wow! So with the burnt, this entire side is crunchy, and inside you have the vanilla, which is cold. So it's like sweet and crunchy. It's actually a different taste. It's good again.
The next food is fish cake. Gamsamida.
So obviously we are back to our sweet and savory loop. So after that, frozen s'more. This is a Busan local favorite. This is the fish cake bar. Have no idea what to expect. So let's see, but this is very hot. Yeah. I don't think I'm a fan of it. Let him try.
Okay, let's see. Not for us. No, definitely not. After the failed fish cake attempt, we are now heading home, going downhill now. It's easy, but you have to be careful while going downhill.
Because if your what is that? Legs stumble upon that thing, you will just be rolling like Jack and Jill. Don't fall. The roads are so slanting, the seats are actually, this part is small, that part is big. So we are now waiting for the bus. There's only one bus in the bus stop, 87 number, that will take us to the main center from this Gamchun village. There are separate lanes only for buses. So in this hotel we have washer and dryer option as well. So for
washing it's 3,000, for drying 5,000, and if you want a pod like detergent 2,000. So total it is 10,001 to wash and dry your clothes. So right now I'm washing, and after that we'll dry it. Now the dryer is almost done. Right now we are going for dinner. It's 8:41. We are searching barbecue, Korean barbecue.
Yes, laundry done for another week. So let's have some food.
Yeah. It's almost 9, and most of the shops and restaurants are closed in this alley. So we are going in the main road to see if there's something open so that we can
Yeah. Since the last 10 minutes we are
eat. Roaming around.
here and there. Everything is closed.
Yeah.
And I think most of the shops close here by 8 o'clock. So let's see if we can find something.
So we failed our mission to find the barbecue today. In Seoul, we
we will try again with our soul.
for the soulful food. Anyway, so today we are having Loteria, which is their McDonald's.
It's kind of weird because the entire shopping street was open, like all the shops, all the stores, but nothing to eat. So, but the chain restaurants are open, so we are back again at Loteria.
There are coffee shops are open.
Yeah, cafes are open.
Anyway, so today Loteria. Barbecue next time, bye bye.
And that wraps up Busan episode. See you in Seoul. Thank you so much for watching this video till this end, and hope you have enjoyed today's episode. And if yes, do subscribe and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification of our world travel series.
Oh,
Till then,
follow the entrance.
so Damcheon Cultural Village. I don't know.
Swarg.
Here also you have wish. You can just take one of the balls, and if it is a good, yeah, and just break the balls with this hammer. And if it's a good thing, take it. If it's a bad wish, put it up there.
Back in the stack up houses, and since then, due to
Ne.
take two.